Hey, welcome to the show. Check this out. We have a multiplication problem for you today. It is a 4-digit number times a 2-digit number. This problem was presented to me from a subscriber named Roshan. I believe it's Roshan. It's Roshan. So thank you very much for requesting. I'm always looking at the comments. So thank you for always leaving a comment. So leave a comment down below. And while you're at it, hit that likey button. Let's see if we can get 100 likes on this show right here. All right, let's go ahead and get started here. Wow, this is a big problem. Don't worry, we're going to take this easy cheesy lemon squeezy. I'm going to make this problem just a little bit smaller for you. So I'm going to take my little magic wand on my whiteboard and make that just a tiny bit smaller. All right. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this 6 right here and I'm going to multiply that times the 6, times the 7, times the 8, and times the 2. I'm not even going to look at that number 5. Don't even look at it. We're going to take care of that number 5 in a little bit. All right, let's go ahead and get started here. 6 times 6, what is it? 36, that's right. So I'm going to go ahead and put the 6 right here. I'm going to put the 3 up here. We're going to add that 3 in a little bit. Not yet, but in a little bit. All right, let's go ahead and multiply 6 times 7. 6 times 7, 42. 42 plus 3, 45. So we're going to go ahead and put the 5 right here and put the 4 up here. And again, we're going to add that in a little bit, and not yet, but in a little bit. Hey, if you were to try this problem on your own, you can always pause the video and then try it and then hit that play button and check it along with me. Again, hit that likey button down below. All right, let's go ahead and take 6 times 8. 6 times 8, 48. Now 48 plus 4, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52. So I put the 2 right here and put the 5 right up here. And I can hear you already saying you're going to add that in a little bit. Not yet, but in a little bit. All right, let's go ahead and multiply. 6 times 2 is 12 plus the 5, 17. So I put 17 right here. Now, when you do big numbers like this, please remember to keep your numbers neat and organized. All right, so now we're going to be not adding, we're going to be multiplying the 5 times the 6 times the 7 times the 8 and times the 2. We no longer need these numbers up here. It's totally up to you if you want to just ignore them and then cross them off, whatever you want to do, but I'll show you along the way. All right, I'm going to take 5 times 6 is 30. Now, how do you write 30? Do I put the 0 here? Now remember, we're dealing with this 5 right here, so I'm going to put the 0 right here. And now I put the 3 up here, and I can cross that 3 off. Well, it's the same 3, but and now I take 5 times 7 is 35, 36, 37, 38. So I put the 8 right here, and I put the 3 up here. And now I'm going to take 5 times 8 is 40. 40 plus 3 is 43. So I put the 3 right here and the 4 right up there. And now I'm going to take 5 times 2 is 10. 10 plus 4 equals 14. So I put the 14 right here. Now we did most of all the hard work. Now I'm going to add these numbers right here. So I'm going to put the addition sign here, put another line that goes underneath here. And now I'm going to start adding from this side over here. All right, so 6 plus 0 is 6. So I put the 6 right here. 5 plus 0 is 5. 8 plus 2 is 10. Carry the 1. And then 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Put the 1 up here. 4 plus 1 is 5, plus another 1 is 6. And then you have the 1 right here, put it right here. So this would be our answer. And again, if you got that answer, hit that likey button down below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Hey, if you're still with me, I got a great joke of the day, and my son is going to present the jokes of the day. So come on over here. And again, thank you very much for this problem, Roshan. Love reading the comments. So why don't you go ahead and face the camera. What kind of joke do you have there for us, Luke?
I have a joke about cats.
You have a joke about cats. What is it?
Just kidding.
Just kidding, catting. All right, you got another joke for us?
Yeah.
What
type of dog tells time?
What type of dog tells time? What is it?
A watchdog.
A watchdog. I love it. Do you have any more jokes for us?
No.
Hey, if you want to hear more jokes, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss one exciting
Or you
episode.
can also put some of your own jokes in.
Yeah, if you have a nice kid joke, nice clean joke, write it down in the comment down below. Maybe I'll use it on our next show. So again, I sure appreciate it. Hit that likey button. Just go over there, see that likey button? Bam, 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 and hit the subscribe button. And we also have another channel. I would love for a little help on there. We're trying to get that going. It is an outdoor channel. I'll have a link right there. Check out the new outdoor channel. We got a lot of cool, fun things on there, and I think you might like it. We also have another channel called Dino Math, but right now go ahead and check out that outdoor channel and get outside and do some exercising. We'll talk to you all later. Thanks. Bye-bye. Adios. Goodbye.